time, this and that. Olha aqui.
You good?
You good? Agora você riu, né? Você viu que é verdade. Ah, tá filmando eu, Pia?
Oh, exposed!
É, viu?
Mom.
Hi, Cam.
That was so fake.
Say my name. She was like, Cam.
No one loves me.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places.
Right now we stopped at the bank. My dad is at the bank getting like, you know, like 10 G's, something light, right, Ma?
Yeah.
Something like 10 grand, you know what I mean? Like pocket money. So, that's not funny? Alright, thanks.
All around me are familiar faces.
We just stopped for a bit and now we're about to go to Jardim Botanico. I just murdered the crap out of that name, but we're gonna go to the Botanic Garden and it's really cool. We did like a photo shoot there last year. Wait, right?
Wake up, Mom. What?
Oh my gosh. Did we do a photo shoot at the Botanic Garden last year?
Yes.
Wrong, we did it 2 years ago. Oh, wow. I guess I'm the only one that remembers.
2 years ago. It was 4 years ago.
It was... No, it wasn't. Was it really? Was it?
2010, right?
Okay, we don't know. We did a photo shoot there before, whatever. We're probably gonna get some ice cream, some coxinha, some pastel. We're probably trying to find pastel that does not have complete air in it. You know what I mean? And not completely made out of oil also, right? Yeah, because that's disgusting. What?
I'm in the mood for some pastel. Some churros.
Churros! Oh my gosh.
I just turned into a meme. I just turned into a meme. Don't use it against
I guess
me.
Kathleen's a meme. Now there's not only Donald Trump is the leader of the free world, but now there's churros, right? Yep. What are you gonna do?
Stop it. Not now.
Not now, don't stop it now. And yeah, then we're probably gonna go back to my crib, you feel me? And we're probably gonna lay down the 10 grand on the bed so we can go to sleep, you know what I mean?
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
That's not funny. We're probably gonna go to my cousin's house after.
Yes, I missed that.
Yeah, because we've been at the beach. And also, by the way, this is vlog number 13. Vlog number 12 is Lost at Sea. Literally. So, if you find my phone in Brazil, in the ocean, and you charge it, and you turn it on, and you send me the footage, I will make a vlog 12. But until then, there's no vlog 12, because I lost it at sea, and I don't want to make a vlog 12 until I find it. So yeah, we're probably gonna go back to my cousin's house, shoot some fireworks, and hit up some chicks, right?
That is not correct.
Alright, Kathleen's a meme. Screw Kathleen. Screw Kathleen, right, Ma?
No,
Why not?
because I love her.
Oh. Wow, okay, that was petty. Alright. Oh boy, voltou?
Ah, brincadeira, esse banco aí é...
Conseguiu?
Bota 100, não consegui porque o banco tá cheio.
E agora?
Só consegui tirar 500.
E agora?
Uma transação só no dia.
E agora?
Vai? Não sei
Mas como é que vai fazer?
Não sei.
Não entrou lá dentro?
We're screwed.
Amor, tá assim lá dentro.
So we're here at the Botanic Garden.
At
Don't
my
you-
mansion.
At her mansion. And it's so nice out here, right? Oh my gosh, there's so many leaves. Look. Like look. I almost died. I almost died. She almost dropped the whole thing.
Oh,
Look.
Parents keep tickets with you. Ugly! You guys are ugly. You guys are ugly.
Wow. That's petty. Those are your own parents. How are you gonna do that to them? Are you okay? Whatever. Alright.
And it'd be like to the right. I'm gonna be like, did I get it? No. Did I get it?
Yeah, what?
Did I get it?
What are you trying to get?
Nature.
Well, we weren't even close.
The fossil!
My dad is saving a helpless bird. Look.
I want to touch it.
What kind of bird is it?
I think it's João de Barro. That's mean John of the Clay. Assim que fala?
I think. I don't know. Oh, I got it.
Deixa eu ver, filha. Aqui, levanta um.
Don't drop it.
Drop it like it's hot.
Shut up, birds.
Did I get it? Am I close? Can I join in? Gold!
É aquela. A minha, é a mesma árvore, essa aqui já é pequenininha ainda. Araucária pequena, araucária velha. Kathleen pequena e mãe grande. Amor, olha.
There's a couple.
O meu lá era pra estar desse tamanho lá em casa.
Gente, isso é muito legal, gente.
Why is a tree expert?
Amor, passa a
Right? That's so sick. Look, he's teaching us everything about the trees.
Agora vai pra trás.
Não.
Pra trás.
What the?
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Are you trying to
Ó, assim, ó, passa pra cá. Viu? Daí
Are
passa
you
assim.
trying to hurt
Daí ela
me?
I am the one, the way your
se defende.
Yes.
They yelled at me. Oh! said a bad word.
Não,
not
não,
nice.
não, não põe, não põe, não põe.
So this is the jungle part of my mansion. It's very exclusive, only VIPs. Come along. Let me do it again.
Sure.
Come along. This is my penthouse.
Where's the penthouse?
That made no sense.
There's like a mad nice breeze too. It's so chill up here. Look, and like the view is amazing.
You see it, right? They're like this.
The view is amazing. And yeah, we're about to go right now. It's like about time because I'm so bored. Like at one point it just gets so boring, honestly.
He chatted it and she was like, skirt, skirt. I'm like, that made no sense.
I don't know how that made any sense, but I guess she saw a crab yesterday. Well, I saw the crab too. It was like white and yellow. It was in vlog number 12, which is Lost at Sea. So if you guys find in the Brazilian Ocean or whatever, hook me up so I can post on YouTube. Thanks so much.
Share my button.
Oh, I got that in the video.
Kevin, no! Take the picture of me! I want a picture!
Hood rich, hood rich.
What time is it?
Pizza time!
Oi, tudo bem?
Não, Brasil na pizza!
He's honest. Kevin honest. He's honest. Kevin honest. Hood rich, hood rich.